美女如诗，天空如画，大海的波涛声中，美女与路亚的旋律交织，在这片广阔的海洋中，钓竿的挥舞间，我们寻找着大自然的诗篇。让我们一起走进这诗意的世界，感受路亚与钓鱼的魅力吧。
Back up we go. Where are you going?
There he is, coming up now. I might take another run to the bottom.
We'll see. Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
Yeah,
Tired now.
probably pretty tired now.
All right, 20 feet. Leader. Ready?
Is it ready?
I see him. He's a little bit better. Yeah. There you go. That's a little bit better. Yeah. There you go, guys. Absolutely beautiful fish. That's about 10 pounds right there. Let's torpedo him down. Look at him swim. That's so sick. A friend is here. A friend has eaten. He's here. Must not be very big. Or he doesn't even know he's hooked yet. He's little. Oh, he choked it. He choked it. Thank you. Oh yeah, now he knows he's hooked.
Yes, want to
Ah, sure. He's a chubby one. There you go. How are you hooked? Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you, I know. There you go. Beauty. Crushed it. Absolutely.